I want to thank all my viewers for coming on and watching my show. I just want to say to everyone, I'm a new cook and I'm a new person being on television or any camera being in my face. So the things I might say might be a little awkward or might not be right with my recipes. But all the recipes that you all see at the bottom of your screen will be correct. So just forgive me if I say the wrong thing and then you'll see a different recipe on the bottom. Not a different recipe, but different measurements. So I just want to say, bear with me. I'm going to get better. And please come back and enjoy us. Bye.